What's up, guys? Welcome to the Rubicon channel. All right, super pumped to show you this 2024 Rubicon X package in the 24Y package. So let's get to it. There's the front. I'm gonna pause it right here, right now. So if you watch the intro, see something new there? The winch is covered up. So if you live in a country or in the States where you're required to have a front license plate, this was Jeep's solution. You will find this in the trunk. Instructions pretty good. You just mount it right in front of there. I did a little DIY and did some quick connect releases to spin that off in case I need to winch out. LED headlights, LED directionals, LED fog lights, steel bumper, spinning around. We have the BF Goodrich 35-inch tires. That's the 24Y package. If you get the 23Y package, that's going to come with 33s. So those are bead lock capable wheels. Underneath here, you're not going to see it, but it is fully, well, I shouldn't say fully. It is 80% skid plates underneath there. A little bit of the exhaust is exposed, but other than that, yeah, you're good. Rock rails, steel rock rails, rock sliders, if you will, coming around. We have some 3M tape. Okay, on Amazon, by the way, FYI, you can get some tape around here because these are rock magnets. So check that out. Any questions, I can send you a link. Swing it around. Steel bumper again. Reinforced hinge gate with a 35-inch. These are going to extend out right here. Jeep badge. Rear view camera. Tow hook. Yeah, I don't have my license plate yet because we're still waiting for a title. Transfer. State to state title. There's a back view. And the color. This is the anvil. Check that out, guys. Look at that. Sun starting to go. See that? In the full sun, this is like straight up battleship gray. In the shade, swinging back around again. It's kind of like a blue. It's the video will not do it justice. You have to see it in person. I was torn between the anvil and the Earl Clear Coat. In my humble opinion, they are the best colors for 2024. All right. So you saw the license plate holder. What nobody's shown you, there's your freedom panel bag. That comes in. Lift up here. If you opt for the Warren winch, you're going to get bag, instructions, little hand grab for the hook so you don't lose your hands. When you're retracting it, you get a strap. You get a wire-tied controller. Now this right here, if you so choose to drop the windshield down, this is going to go where your rear view mirror is, right there. That blocks all that off. And you're also going to get the Jeep tool. Take your freedom panels off. Take your hardtop off. If you don't know, 3 bolts on one side, 3 bolts on the other side. After you take off the freedom panels, there's 2 up top. I just made a do-it-yourself, one-man removal hardtop. Pretty epic, guys. One guy, take your hardtop right off and store it. So please subscribe to the channel. That's my next video. You'll be thoroughly impressed. You have tether straps right there. 4 tie downs right there. The 24Y package, Rubicon X, you're going to get automatically the 8 speaker. There's a subwoofer, Alpine Premium package. See the map lights going on right there? Color matched. Already adding stuff, guys. This is my fire extinguisher element. Highly recommend it. Close the glass always first. Shut the trunk. Look at that. That reinforced, that's like no effort. The wife, the girlfriend will love it. You slam that puppy down. Coming around to the back. Leather. Drop this down. 2 generous cup holders there. Swing around the center. 2 USBs. 115. Fit a couple Tic Tacs there. Couple Halloween sized Kit Kats. Very firm but comfortable leather. It's hard to describe. Around here, cargo netting storage, cargo netting storage, cargo netting storage, and there, and on the front as well. Also, what I forgot to show you is back here. This is key. You want to do some overlanding. You want to do some whatever. 12 volt DC outlet right there. Disconnect the hard top. Pop this off. I'm not going to show you right now because I might struggle with it. Disconnect the lights. Pop the windshield wiper connector in there. Close it back up. You're done. And coming around. So with the 35s, you're going to get this extension. Rubicon X package automatically. Your hardtop and your fenders are going to be color matched. Trail rated badge right there. Little Easter egg right there. Pick of the Gladiator and the Wrangler. Nice leather. Grab handle. Coming inside. Adaptive cruise control. Voice command. Behind here, you have your volume up and down behind the handle. If you're playing some music on the left, you can forward or reverse music. And let's just plug her in. Rubicon. Jeep pops up on the screen. Missed it. So, off-road pages. Pitch and roll. Vehicle dynamics. Accessory gauges. Forward-facing camera. Rear-facing camera. Home. Navigation. This is the Apple. I'm sorry, it's the Uconnect 5. So Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So you sync up your phone via Bluetooth. That's me, Scotty. You can get Waze on iPhone or Android. I have Waze. I'm a big fan of it. Swinging down. You have your analog gauges. 24Y package. You're getting automatic heated steering wheel. Heated side mirrors, heated seats. There's your auto off button. Sitting at a light, don't want your engine shutting off, click that puppy. Traction control on or off. You have your downhill assist, parking beeping noise annoyance. You shut that off. You can shut your screen off to clean it. There's your windows, couple auxes, 12 volt, front and rear locker, Off-Road Plus, sway bar disconnect, 4 aux switches. Swinging around, 2 cup holders, lifting up the glove box. Decent size. Put your little easy pass, Letterman tool. Couple Kick Tats. Deeper down here, I have my Midland radios, sunglass case. More power in there. There's power everywhere, people. If you need more power, I don't know what to tell you. There is power everywhere. SOS buttons. Roadside assist. Garage. Vanity. Both sides. Ooh, that new car smell. So yeah. It is auto lights, speakers, glove box, pretty deep. Let me show you what came in the glove box. In the glove box, you're gonna, well, the sticker obviously was on the window. Put that aside. A nice camo bag for all your paperwork. Consumer information guide. That's 6 months of Sirius XM radio for free. Quick start guide. And your owner's manual. All right, get ready to screenshot this. So, this was optioned right here. Wrangler 4-door Rubicon. Base price $49,395. I am not going to read all this to you. Nope, not doing it. Optional equipment. So if you opt for the Rubicon X package 24Y, it's going to jack that up 12.5, and then you get all that. In addition, this one was optioned. You're going to get whacked for $4,500. 8-speed automatic transmission. The cold air intake by Mopar, $525. Doors off mirror kit, which is really nice, by the way, for $195. Highly recommended. Looks like the mirrors get installed on the A-pillars, and it's a really solid, not cheap mirror. You're also going to get, well, this was an option with the Performance Satin Black Grille. And then the 8,000 pound, fully warranted one winch for $19.95. Total MSRP on this with destination charge $71,825. So that is it, my friends. Really happy with this. I've had it for a month. I flew out for this, couldn't wait any longer. Ordered one in April. It was a long story. Didn't happen in southern New Hampshire. Flew out to Wisconsin, Summit Automotive. They hooked me up, got me everything I wanted, had it in stock, flew out, drove it back. Got 1,500 miles on it now. Absolutely love it. Fully pleased with this. One last shot. That's it, my friends. So thanks for watching. I try to keep it quick, try to talk fast. I am from the Northeast. Next video, I'm going to show you how to build a one-man hardtop remover with casters. Slide it in, pop it, bungee cords, lifts it right up. 5 minutes, you are on the road. Again, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.